Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. I just got a package in the mail literally like half an hour ago. I'm just so excited to open it that I needed to film this right away. I actually have to go to work right after I film this, so I'm kind of short on time, but I was like, I cannot leave without opening this package because I just can't wait to see what's inside. This package is from insert name here. I've worked with them in the past with their hair waiver. Guys, the hair waiver is so good. I cannot rave about that enough. If you have not tried their hair waiver, definitely try it out. I will have the video linked up here where I do test it out. Here is also a picture of my before and after. I absolutely love it. That is like my favorite way. If I'm not straightening it, I definitely like waving it a little bit more than I like my hair curly. But yeah, go check out that video. And they were like, we want to send you another package. I was like, yes, please. They have so many great things on their site, so I'm really excited. I can feel that there's a bunch of things inside. I did request a couple pieces, but I was also like, if you just want to add in an extra thing here or there, or if I requested too many pieces, like, don't worry, you don't have to send me everything. You guys just pick what you want to send me and I will be more than happy with that. So that's why I'm just like so excited to get into this package, because I literally have no idea what's inside. Like, I kind of have an estimate of what they could have put inside, but also have no idea what they chose to put inside. So yeah, had to open this before I get to work. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Just gonna have to pull things out and see how it goes like that. But first item is the butterfly clip in white. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh wow, it's good quality too. It's not like very flimsy and loose. It has that pull, so you know it'll hold your hair together. I would just kind of wear it like this and have your hair like that. Oh my gosh, hopefully it'll show, but oh my gosh, look. Do you guys see it? How does it look? Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see this. You see it? I love it. Oh my gosh. And it actually does feel like it's holding securely. It does have that tightness, like I said. So this is gonna be so cute. I love the detailing of it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is one of the things that I was like, please send me, please send me. I'm so excited. I saw it on the website and I was like, this is beautiful. And it comes in 2 other colors also, but this one was one of the ones that caught my eye, especially because I have dark hair. It's gonna stand out and look so cute, so thank you guys. Also, quickly, before I forget, I have a promo code with them. I would appreciate it if you guys like anything. I will have everything linked in the description, and then you can use my promo code for extra money off at checkout. Next, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna try not to be like annoying and like show you guys, but honestly, these are like my first impressions when I open PR packages. I get so excited. There's a cute little butterfly thingy, like card thingy, that has their social media, and it says never limit your self-expression. See? So never mind, I'm not sorry for all the expressions on my face. These are scrunchies. You guys should know I love scrunchies, silk scrunchies, like any scrunchies. I've just been obsessed with them, and now I have giant scrunchies. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I love that. These are called the 3-piece jumbo chiffon set. Look at that. So we have a cute little pinky one, a green one, and a purple. Having it just like this, also really cute, but with your hair up. Let me see. Let's see. Just tie our hair quickly. Sorry that my baby hairs are all over the place, but it's whatever. And we can double it if we want. Can I triple it? You can even triple it for a smaller kind of effect like this. I have also seen girls where they put buns on their hair, so like they use another hair elastic and they make a bun with it, and then they leave it just like this how it is, and they just stick it over their bun. I'm not really good at making buns. My buns, I don't know, I think they're just look weird, but actually let me try. Hold on, I'm really excited. So let me try to make a bun and show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Here, I have a horribly made bun. Ignore that. But just so you guys understand what I'm talking about, like that. Also guys, don't worry, hair care routine is coming. I know you guys always ask me that. I'm sorry, it's coming, I promise. Give me like one more week and I'll have it out. These are super unique. I've never seen like really big ones like this, and they're chiffon, they're pretty, they're light, they're airy. Love the pastel colors also, especially this pink one. Oh, so cute. What is this? We haven't felt this texture before. Guys, I saw this on their website. Guys, it's a mini microphone. Do you see that? So this is like the mini microphones where you plug into your phone, and I honestly, after I asked for the items I asked, I regretted not asking for this because your girl wants to start trying out TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, definitely go follow me. I'll have it linked in the description. I'm gonna start posting more, but oh my god, I am so happy about this. Okay, cool. Oh no. Oh no. Guys. Oh my god. No, I'm sad. I'm so sad. My phone doesn't have the little like headphone jack. No, my phone doesn't have a headphone jack. I'm gonna have to order an extra piece. Hopefully Amazon has a piece. But oh my god. Guys, this is perfect. I've seen people on TikTok, they all like talk like this and they're like blah 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 blah, and now I could be one of that. Wow, it's kind of heavy. But it's like rose gold. And it looks like that. And then you just plug it in. Oh wow, it has a super long cord. Next item. We have, what is this? Quick Slick. Oh my gosh, I needed this. Thank you so much for this. My baby hairs is no secret. Like my baby hairs just love doing their own thing. They're problematic. They don't listen. I realized that they have this, which is their Quick Slick. And I've seen everybody rave about it on social media. So I was like, I need to try this just so you guys can see. This is the bottle. It is covered with plastic wrap all around. To me, I feel like this is unscented. There's no like really strong smell that I'm getting right now. Like I'm not getting any smell, honestly. This is the applicator. So as you can see, it kind of has a little bent like U shape to it. And apparently you just rub it on. So this is my hair looking crazy as always. And we're gonna use the Quick Slick real quick to make my hair look slick. I see what you guys did there. Good job. Let's also probably not the best to use my phone for this, but it's fine. Oh shit. This is actually working, and it doesn't look like there's any heavy residue. Oh, honestly, I was expecting it to be a little like stiff, but it doesn't even feel like I have anything in my hair. I literally don't feel like there's anything on my hair. Huh, that's good. So the more you put, obviously the more slick it'll be. And lastly, there's one more thing in here, and I think I know what this is. So comes in a little cardboard box like this. This package is 100% recyclable, and it says recycling turns things into other things, which is like magic. And this is the highlights in the shade Brondy. So excited for this. It's highlights, guys. I want to make sure I get everything out of here. Oh, this is so cute. It came with a little receipt, and I was like, what is this? It says receipt number, dream hair, we def care, date is best day ever, cashier is Olive, the product is female founder, quantity 2, price lots of coffee, cruelty free 1, price priceless, confidence boost 1, priceless, subtotal 4, sale tax nothing, and receipt total 2 happy faces. And says never limit your self expression. And it says, there's a barcode, and it says, find your alter ego. That is so cute. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Here's a little close-up. These are the highlights I chose. That is pretty. Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh, love that. It is 2. I thought for a second it was only 1 and it just had 2 clips, but there's 2 of them in here. I wanted this because I've always wanted blonde kind of highlights, and these are more brownish blonde. They're so soft. Hair length too, I think it'll be good. I wanted it for the front of my hair, and it's really trendy now to have like those like little highlights like this. Let me show you. I'm gonna keep this little thing so I can put it back in here and keep them in their bag. But it's been really trendy to have like highlights like this. Oh my god, look how cute that already looks. I'm gonna put these on and then I will quickly come show you what it looks like. But yeah, this is the Brondy one. Oh my god, guys. So I just grabbed a bit of my hair to like hide it. I know I'm not the best. I'll get better, I promise. But I just did that to hide it like that, so it looks like they're under highlights. It is so soft. It literally feels like my natural hair, but look at that. This one is a little bit more hidden in the back, but I was just testing it out, seeing what I liked. Oh my god, look at that. I love this. This is making all of my dreams come true. Like, I literally always wanted to do highlights like this, but my mom never let me. She did not like me with blonde, and now she'll just, I can just take them out whenever I want. Look at that. Cute. I do believe also that these are okay to style them if you like, with heat and everything, so you can curl them if you want curly hair. Love this. They come in so many different colors too, and they're super inexpensive. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is so weird looking at the viewfinder and seeing this blonde in me, this like brownish blonde in me, but I love it. So shout out again, thank you so much to insert name here for this package. It's amazing. I cannot wait to wear everything. And to you guys watching this video, thank you guys so much for sticking to the end and watching it all. If you are not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!